Hi, Sharon Markovsky here. I wanted to talk to you today about how to make the most use or the best use of LinkedIn. The way I look at it, the best use you can make of LinkedIn is to find leads for your company. Or if you're a job seeker, to find potential leads for hiring managers. So let's think about how we would try to find a lead on LinkedIn. So the first thing I would do is say that I want to focus on semiconductors and say that type of industry. And I want to specifically, I want to focus on Arrow Electronics. So the first thing I would do is go up to the top there and change it from people to companies. So I do that and I type in Arrow, and it probably will bring it up because it's a big company. So take Arrow Electronics. Now it's going to bring up the company page. It's nice they actually have a company page. Another thing you should do while you're thinking about it is follow the company. And I'll tell you why in a minute. But follow the company. Then what I want to do is now I need to figure out what kind of employee do I want to search for. So who is my real lead? So if I'm, am I somebody who is a original equipment manufacturer? Am I somebody who's inside something they may manufacture? Then maybe I want the engineering manager. Am I somebody who wants to sell marketing services to this company? Then I'd want someone in marketing. So say I'm a services provider for marketing, and I want to sell something to Arrow Electronics. So the first thing I do is see who I might be connected to, or who I might be connected to through another person. So let's see if there's anybody in here. Okay, so this is a good one. If I was selling, if I wanted to sell some sort of engineered solutions to Arrow Electronics, I would try first Jay Bowman here, because Jay is a senior engineering manager and I'm connected to him through many people that I know locally. So if I wanted to get introduced to him, to Jen, what I would do is then talk to a bunch of people that I know, that I'm connected to here, to Jen. Now, say that's not the contact I wanted. But he does work for Arrow, and the great thing about LinkedIn, what it allows you to do is see people who looked at his LinkedIn profile. It lets you see who searched him and who else they looked at when they looked at him. So this is how you're going to develop your leads. You're going to go through here and you're going to find people that that might be a potential lead for you. Now there's no one in here that's in marketing that works for Arrow, so I'm going to keep going. Okay, and this is sort of an iterative process, and you're only going to be doing this for your whales, your big fish. You're not going to be doing this for small leads. But this will be something that you want to spend some time on. So now let's look at the directors of sales and business development. So he's in the Atlanta area, which is not good because I'm really looking for someone in Reno. But let's look to see if there's anybody interesting that's looked at him and looked at someone else at Arrow. So we'll just scroll down and we'll check out the folks here. Oh, director of marketing, here we go, Benjamin Lazar. So this is great. Now, unfortunately, he works at in Atlanta, but this is a good contact for me because he's a director of marketing. So he's in the software area. So let's see if we got someone, a connection that looked at him and someone else maybe in the Reno area. Well, this is great because there's a bunch of people that have looked at other marketing folks at Arrow. So let's just check them out. So more Atlanta folks. And let's see, IT channel. So we'll keep looking, and this is exactly what you're going to be doing. This guy's in Los Angeles, so that's great for me because that's close. It's not quite in Reno, but it's close. So you just keep looking. It's an iterative process, but you keep looking. So look up Jeff. Okay, so Jeff is in Denver. Okay, so getting closer, but that might be a good market for me as well. So you can see how you can use LinkedIn to easily find some prospects. Now, remember before, I'm going to hit the back button a couple times. Remember before I told you that you need to follow the company? The reason why you're going to do that is you're going to get an email each week from Arrow that shows you the new hires and the exits. Why is new hire important? Well, if it happens to be one of the people that you want to target, you now know that you have a reason to contact them. You can congratulate them for getting the job or getting a promotion or something else. So I hope this has been helpful and helped you find your next lead on LinkedIn.